Hello everyone, welcome to Access for Free. In today's video, we're going to learn about continuous forms in Microsoft Access. So far, the forms we created display one record at a time. You move through records using the navigation buttons at the bottom. But sometimes, you may want to see multiple records at once, just like a list. That's where continuous forms come in. A continuous form displays many records together, while still keeping the form layout and controls. Let's see how to create one. First, open your contact form. Switch the form to Design View. Now click anywhere on the form background to make sure the form itself is selected. Next, open the Property Sheet. Inside the Property Sheet, make sure you are viewing the properties for the form, not for an individual field. Now go to the Format tab. Look for the property called Default View. By default, this is usually set to single form, which is why we see only one record at a time. Click the drop-down and change it to Continuous Forms. Now, save the form. Switch to Form View. You'll now see that the form displays multiple records at the same time, repeating the same layout for every record. Each row represents a different record from the table, but the design of the form stays the same. Now you can restyle and redesign your form as needed to create the proper list view you want. For example, you can resize and rearrange fields. Let's move the text boxes to be aligned horizontally. Then, move labels to the tops of text boxes. Now remove unnecessary elements by selecting them and pressing Delete. Now you can fix the sizes manually or through Property Sheet. Now let's move the labels upward to form header so they act as column headers in form and don't get repeated with every record. Now we can remove this button and fix the sizing. And it's done. Now let's get back to Form View. Now the design is completed, but the tab order has gone reversed. So get back to Design View. Under Form Design tab, click on Tab Order. Now align the fields for proper tab order. And press OK. Back to Form View, and it's fixed. That's how you convert a normal form into a continuous form in Microsoft Access. In upcoming videos, we'll explore more features of forms and controls to make your database more powerful and user-friendly. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.